Ho hey, and welcome to vxbatabs. Now this is a Steam Along Thomas set that I bought recently. It's a pretty loved set, and even though it's been loved before, it's never been loved as much as it is now. It's a fantastic set. Just having a look at the box. It's a Tomy manufacturer, special anniversary edition. Thomas and Friends, Motor, Road and Rail. There's the layout there. Okay, we'll just have a look at the back of the box. Okay, having a look at the back. There's the layout there. Nice layout. So it's got a tunnel, bridge, station, trees, and of course it's got Steam Along Thomas. Okay, so we're looking at the rest of the box here, down here. There we go. Okay, so we'll just take out the goods. Okay, here we are with the goods out of the box. There's the bridge there, massive bridge, and some parts of the bridge there. Some straight tracks, plenty of straight tracks, support tracks there, bags of tracks here. Points, a couple of points. There's the station and the tunnel. And here we have Steam Along Thomas with Annie and Clarabelle, and we've got Percy here. Now you might ask, what's Percy doing here with an axle there? Spare axle in front, and he's got no axle himself. Well, the axle on Annie was a bit faulty, so Percy volunteered his axle and wheels, strictly on a loan basis of course. He'll want them back you know, pretty soon as we can get a good replacement. And there's Annie's axle there that was a bit faulty. So we're running Annie with Percy's drive axle. Okay, so, and also we've got 3 trees here. Now on the box it says 4 trees, so we've got 3 trees and a base, so we're missing a tree. So this set's probably, I don't know, at least 5 years old, and it's in very nice condition. It's an awesome set. Really lovely. And of course this is the Steam Along Thomas. Now we've got, I know we've got Thomas light ups and talking Thomases, but I think steaming Thomas, I think that's the pinnacle. I think that's really wicked and first class and awesome. So we'll just get it laid out now. It'll take me a while, so have a look at my next vid, which will show the running of the Steam Along Thomas. Okay, so thanks for watching. Cheerio for now.